So this is sort of, I just bought it. And it doesn't want to turn over, so that's one of the spark plugs. That's one of the other ones. So it's had water inside the engine. And so it came in for a starter problem because you try to turn it over and the starter wouldn't turn it over. And so we've got water coming out of some of them. And so we're going to go ahead and bump it over slowly. So there's water over there. There's water over here. Okay. So the motor's not locked up, but the motor would not turn over because all the cylinders were hydrolocked. So there we go.